This is how to make the iPad and iPhone built-in microphone sound much better. Now, first thing you should do is head into the closet. How did I do that? Another thing that really helps is putting your iPad or iPhone in between the clothes in the closet. Now the clothes will like absorb the sounds and stuff and make it sound like studio level almost. And that is basically it. And make sure to speaking to the side and make sure the closet door is closed. That's really important.